Good students, today we will study about characteristics of sounds. Characteristics of sound is very important. In serial number 3rd, today we will study about characteristics of sound. Here, 3 types of the characteristic of sound. There are 3 types of the characteristics as 3 types of the characteristics as first, loudness, second, pitch, third, quality. Loudness depends on amplitude. It depends on the amplitude of the sound wave, and pitch depends second, pitch, it is depend on the frequency of the sound wave. And third, quality, it is depend same loudness and same pitch of the sound wave. Okay, students, so these are the characteristics of the loudness. Stepwise we will study about loudness. What is loudness? What is loudness? Loudness is depend on amplitude of the wavelength. It depends on the wavelength. It depends on the wavelength of the amplitude. A is the amplitude. Amplitude. A is the amplitude. And this is the wavelength. Crest. Crest. C-R-E-S-T. Crest. And this is crest. The length between two crests is called wavelength. Here loudness, it is depends on loudness proportional to amplitude square. If amplitude is more, then sound will be more. If amplitude is less, then sound is also less, because loudness is depends on the amplitude of the wave of the sound wave. Here second, it depends on the distance, loudness, and it depends on distance from source, distance from source. Loudness, in this case loudness inversely proportional to distance square. If the distance is more, then loudness is less. If distance is less, then loudness is more. If distance is more, then loudness is less, because it is opposite to each other, loudness and distance. If distance is more, then sound will be less heard. But if the distance is less, then sound is more. It depends on the distance of the objects from the source. After this, third, density. Loudness proportional to density. If density is more of any object, in that loudness will be more. When any medium is dense, then that medium sound will be more. If density is less or medium is rare, then loudness will be less. Okay, student? It is depend on density. Therefore, sound is more in solid than other as liquid or air. When medium is dense, the sound will be more. If medium is not dense or rare, then sound will be not more. Here, fourth case, surface area. Loudness proportional to area. If area is less, then loudness is less. If area is more, then loudness will be more. Here, this area is less than the green board area. Here we beat by pen, then this loud is very less, but here, because here the loudness is more than this sound. Here sound is more than this sound because this area is less than this area. Therefore, loudness is depend on area. If area is more, then during the beating, sound will be more. If area is less, then sound is also less. Therefore, it is depend on the surface of the area of the objects. As area, if area is more, then loudness will be more. If area is less, then sound will be less. Okay, students? After this, the unit of the loudness is decimal. Its unit is decibel. Decibel is the unit of the loudness. Decibel is the unit of the loudness. Okay, friends, after this we will study about pitch. What is pitch? Pitch. What is pitch? You know that pitch is depend on the frequency of the sound wave. of the sound wave. Okay, student? Here it is depends on frequency. If frequency is here, this frequency, high pitch frequency, and this is the low pitch frequency, low pitch sound, and this is the high pitch sound, high pitch sound. If the frequency is less, then wavelength is more than this wavelength. This wavelength is more than this wavelength. This is lambda dash. Let this wavelength is lambda dash. Then this frequency is more than this sound is a shrill sound. Shrill. And this sound is flat. Flat sound or broad sound. If the frequency is more, then wavelength is less. Then this frequency shrill sound. Okay, student? If lambda is less, then frequency is more. Then frequency is less, then lambda is more. Here n proportional to 1 by lambda. Okay, student? If frequency is more, then lambda is less. If lambda is more, then frequency is less. Here frequency is less, then wavelength is greater. Then its sound is flat sound, in broad sound. But this frequency is more, then the wavelength is less. This formula. If frequency is more, then wavelength is less, then its sound is shrill sound. Shrill sound or thin sound. Okay, student? And this is the broad sound. As जैसे सील इस तरह से साउंड लेस है. एक साउंड श्रिल. दिस इज द ब्रॉड साउंड. ब्रॉड साउंड्स wavelength is more than this shrill sound. Broad sound means as a man frog, dogs. Its sound is more because its wavelength is more. Less frequency, and when frequency is more then wavelength is less, and wavelength is more then frequency is less frequency. And these types of high pitch sound is shrill sound. It produces a shrill sound as a woman, woman sound, cat sound, cats, birds, bird sound. These types of sounds are known as shrill sound, and this types of sound is known as flat sound. Okay, student? These are depends on the frequency and wavelength. Pitch is depends on frequency and here lambda. Sound wave, pitch sounds wave depends on the frequency and wavelength. If wavelength is more, then frequency is less. If frequency is more, then wavelength is less. Okay, student? This concept is very, very important. After this, we study about quality. What is quality? Quality depend on quality. Quality, third, quality, it is depends on same loudness and same pitch. Same loudness and same pitch. Pitch, but the sound is distinguished. But the sound is depend on the quality of the instrument, instrument. Okay, students, as instruments, as quality, it is depend as the quality of the instrument. If the qualities of the drum, as drum, guitar, these types of instruments have different sounds. Some sounds are found shrill sound and some sound are found broad sounds. Okay, student, these concepts is very, very important. If therefore you all point learn clearly. Okay, students, Next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.